What's up, guys? OL Island Fishing here, and I am back at it again. It is a choppy day today, winds blowing, overcast, but the water looks really nice. High tide, like I said, a little chop to it, but this is redfish water. This is redfish, definitely redfish water. So I have a good feeling that we are gonna hook up some redfish today, nice redfish. It is September, so that's this is the time that redfish start coming out, the bigger ones anyway. So hopefully we can snag a couple nice slot today, or a limit. I'll take that too, and entertain you for a few minutes at least anyway. So stick around and we will see. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah, he smoked it. He smoked it. First bite of the day, and this guy feels really heavy. Choppy day, overcast. Sticking to the bottom. Going back behind me. Taking a little bit of line. Still haven't seen it. Whoa, staying in the bottom. Ooh. What are you, buddy? Oh, really? Now he's on my damn anchor line. Wrap around my anchor line. Oh, man. All right. Now what? Where you going? This is a mess. Gonna have to pull my anchor up. Yeah, he's wrapped around it. Oh man. Hopefully it stays on. Oh man. It's a mess. It is a mess. Where are you? Now what? Oh yeah, he's going back that way. He's still on there. You feel it? Alright, he's free with the anchor line. Damn, he just kept going back and forth. Here we go. Alright, buddy. Just for that. Oh, now I'm wrapped around my tip. No, I'm not. Am I? Yes, I am. Oh, crap. It's a mess. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Good red. He just came up on top. Crazy. Hook these up. These keep going under my kayak and going towards the line. My anchor line. Fudge. Just stick it. Now he's wrapped against my line again. No, he don't. Jeez. You know what? Get the net ready. He's really close, but he's just going under my kayak. There it is. Now he's going. Ooh, that's a big redfish. No wonder why. Now he's done. I think he's tired. Ooh, that's a nice redfish, guys. I don't know. Here we go. Woo! It might be I don't know. Might be over. It's a big girl. Yeah, he's crazy. This one's crazy. He wrapped around my anchor line, kept going under the boat, go around, came back, wrapped around my line again, or anchor line. Finally got him though. Here we go. See what this baby measure. Holy crap, man! It's choppy today too, so I have to have that anchor. If not, it's gonna drift me freaking a mile quick. So here we go. Let's pull his redfish out. First fish of the day. Got to put me to work right away. All right. out. It's a big redfish. Look at that. Really close to 28. We'll see. Find out right now. "27-inch redfish." Well, this is the time of the year this bigger redfish will come out. It's September and tide's been really high. Pretty soon the bull reds be running, but we're not going for bull reds. We're going for something we can take home, which is, this is a good size 27-inch red. Nice one. Nice one. Choppy today, but we can do it. Let's put this guy on ice and get back on it. Got another one, guys. Oh yeah, man. Back to back. Back to back. I didn't even get to put the other fish on ice yet. I was bleeding him right there on the floor and got smoked again. Yeah, he's pulling now. On top of the water, splashing everywhere. Out there, still good ways. Looking at 30 yards out, away from me in the kayak, which is good. Wear him out while he's out there, because I don't want to deal with him green when he's close to the kayak. Get pressure on him. I don't think he's that big compared to that first one, but let me see. He's getting close. Yeah, it's a redfish, all right. Nice red. Probably another slot. Yeah, it's definitely a slot. Ooh, damn, they're frisky today. They're using that current as their advantage. They'll put that body sideways and just fight that way, and it feels so heavy when they do that. And this guy is just barely hooked. Isn't it? Second redfish, and definitely looked like a slot. Yeah, buddy. All right, the hook's sticking out his mouth, so let me take the hook out before it gets tangled really bad with the net. Oh, he's drumming. Easy, buddy, don't move, because I got my hand close to the hook. There we go, he's out. Hook is out. All right, where are we going with this? Yeah, I hear you drumming. Beautiful redfish. Got 2 spots on the tail. Really nice spots. Measure them real quick. This one is 23. Alright, we got a 27-inch red so far and a 23. So that's 2 quick ones. First one, he's down there on the floorboard. Here we go. Keep it going under my foot peg. So I was just bleeding this first one before putting on ice, and this second one just smoked that reel. We got 2. Might be a quick limit. I'll take that. A little choppy, like I said, but water looks good. It's not murky or it's not muddy or anything. So here we go. Okay, I think I just got a bump on the live mullet. Here we go. Here we go. Fish on. Oh yeah. Told you it's gonna be a quick one. I think it's a redfish. Every single one of them taking off to my right. Just go right against that wind. And go behind me. There we go. Always going this way. It's the third fish that did the same thing. And around. Go over. Alright, where are you? Oh yeah, this one feels good. Oh yeah, it's a redfish, I see him. This is our third quick limit. Ooh, it's a nice one too. It's a nice one. Learn my lesson on that first one. I'm gonna wear him out. Looks like this one's a little, oh no, it's actually a big one. It's a good one. It's not done yet. Here he goes again. Goes behind my kayak again. Wear him out, wear him out. Wear him out. He's spinning me. He's spinning me all the way around. Kind of drag a little bit. It's not fast, but he's strong. It's not going crazy like the first two. But this guy is just putting his head down and going for that deeper water, I think. He spun me all the way around. If this is a slot, then this is another quick limit of reds. And if I land it and it's keeper, I'm not gonna stick around too long, although it's not very hot, which is good because of the overcast. It's one thing about having overcast, it always makes me nervous a little bit because you never know if it's gonna rain. But oh man, this guy look like about the same size as that first one. Upper slot. I said he's not like crazy or fast, but he's just, I think he's giving up. Oh no. There we go, buddy. Get in there. Oh yeah, this guy is a good one. Uh-oh. Move my camera. Let me fix it. This guy might be over. Might be over. He's a big one. We'll see. Oh no. 28 inch red. So actually 27 3/4, really close to 28. So we got our limit, quick limit. This guy is drumming too. Look at that. Big redfish, guys. Big upper slot. Beautiful. I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna go home. I'm still sore from taking all the boards off my window from the Hurricane Laura. We dodged a bullet there. We got lucky, but to those people got affected by Laura, I know how you feel. We went through a good one when Ike hit us. Pretty much lost almost everything I had, but it's gonna be okay, guys. Hang in there. Everything's gonna be all right. It's gonna work out just fine. Anyways, we got our third redfish. So quick limit. I guess I'm gonna go home. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate that, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe, put a thumbs up, and that's all I got for you today. So peace out.